gentlemen, especially parents, if you want to have your kids engage with our workshop, please do check out our Facebook page. Just key in B-Hub Dance and Modeling Workshop. Okay, stand by for the season 3 of our workshops to be held here at the B-Hub, located at the 3rd floor atrium of Bergman Mall. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Rafaela Gray Morata, Zira Athena Garcia Esquivel, Sing Kiel Guerrero Manala, Yvonne Seal Chengat, and Angela Jewel Alves Omega. Come on, everybody! Make nice work, kids over here. Good job. Ayan, ako muna daw. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. And why we need a panel of judges for our modeling recital. So let's open up the recital. Nico Germain, Sarah Ellie, Ricardo Daniel, Francine Lane, Dexter Hans, Mary Therese, Ralching, and Michelle. And enjoy the food here at Cordova Street Food Festival. B-Hub Dance and Modeling Workshop, alright? We're getting ready for the season 3, so have your kids join us for the next recital. Once again, a big round of applause for Model Kids, ladies and gentlemen, of B-Hub. Cost of innovation and creativity, 30%. Audience impact, 10%. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause for B-Hub Workshopper teams. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, please do watch out for the upcoming. Yes, I love it. Bergman Street Food Festival. We also have complete attendance. And Angela Jewel Alves Omega. Cyril Baterina Muhammad Antum. As we have Jillian Chloe Piray Godo. Miranda Haley Duffy. Kristen Lorraine Reyes. Ricardo Daniel Garcia Escobar. Galena. Misha Tan.